In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a wireframe in draw.io. So you actually have two options. The first one is to click this plus icon, go to template, and search for wireframe. There we go, like this, and then click on enter. And here you have a bunch of options. You can click on any of these and you can go ahead and just click insert, and it's going to get put inside your board over here. Now you can of course change whatever you want, and if you like that, you can just use this template. But if you'd like to actually create one from scratch for yourself, you can go ahead and click on more shapes over here, scroll down, and there's going to be a bunch of different shapes, and one of them should be called mockup. So let me actually find it for you. It should be somewhere at the very top. Okay, mockups, there we go. Click on that, and here you can see a bunch of different things. Click on apply, and then it's going to basically get added inside here. So if that doesn't work, make sure you actually do click on this check mark and then apply. There we go. And a lot of different mockup shapes have been added in here. You can then go ahead and drag onto your board and create your own wireframe. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.